my first ever packing with me video. It is 8:10, a couple days before we're leaving. Sorry, I don't have any makeup on. It was an olive day, so I didn't really have time to do much. Let's get to it. First things first is the carry-on. There's one thing we learned going skiing is that you definitely don't want to lose your luggage while you're there or on the way there and then end up with no luggage. Otherwise, you get there and you can't ski. So we always put in our carry-on, if you're a skier, then you know this makes 100% sense, ski boots. Skiing with rented boots is just absolutely horrible experience. Just trust me. So last year I got new ski boots. They're amazing. So first thing that goes in the carry-on bag, ski boots, goggles. My goggles are cool. Oakley. All right, and then also basically everything you need for one ski day. So I've also got a pair of socks, stuff those in the boots to make space, and then I've also got a underwear, set of long johns and a mid layer already in here. And then I just washed this stuff so it's all clean. Bibs. My ski coat. Hey John.
Yeah.
We forgot to get the icon passes out and go ahead and put them in our ski coat.
Okay.
Okay. Let's just remember that when I turn this off, okay? So, let's see if I can stuff this in there. I'd have to take the hood off and pack the hood. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Everything I need to ski one day. Let's see if I can shove it in here. Ha! I did it. All right, on to the next. Now to the clothes. Okay, I've got to admit that I am not someone that likes to make a list before they pack. I usually, since I could be creating content at any moment, I usually just throw a bunch of stuff in my suitcase. When I get there, I see how it goes. Gotta say, it doesn't really usually always work for me that way. So this is actually very helpful. I actually filmed already me trying on 5 of the outfits that I'm gonna wear and that I'm packing, so that was actually really helpful. And then I have a couple other erroneous t-shirts and things like that I'm packing too. So anyway, we are there for Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 5 nights. And you wear your ski stuff during the day, so you really only need 5 outfits, pajamas, all that stuff. So I am packing this amazing Spanx turtleneck. And in my video, I was wearing that. Well, actually, I'm gonna go through all of this. Oh, John's handing me my pass now. Thank you. I'm gonna put it right here. Okay. Okay, how am I gonna do this? Spanx turtleneck and black jeans. I'm actually gonna wear these on the plane, so I'm not gonna pack them. I'm just gonna put these aside. And I'm going to wear those with my AS98 boots. Okay, just had to pause and take a moment to say that these Mott & Bow jeans are so comfortable. They are the boyfriend fit. I have no booty. But anyway, they're so comfortable. Literally, I'm gonna wear these on the plane. That's how comfortable they are. So here's a moment of talking during the fit. Back to your regular programming. Next, this epic ski sweater. Y'all, this thing is insane, and I have to admit, I am not one for dupes or copies or anything, but this is a perfect option if you've been staring at that really expensive stuff on Revolve or Shopbot, Perfect Moments or whatever it's called. This feels amazing. If I had gotten it a couple days sooner, I probably would have ordered it in another color, to be honest. So I'll probably wear that either with the fleece-lined leggings or with the jeans. Fleece-lined leggings are awesome. Also have this rainbow sweater that I'm gonna wear with the fleece-lined leggings. Regular pair of jeans my Abercrombie version of skinny jeans. And I am gonna wear that with sweatshirt. May or may not have spilled a little bit of red wine on it during my cooking class, and I did my best to get it out, but you know. I snuck a pair of skinny black jeans in here because they don't take up much space. In case I change my mind about anything, I'm allowed to change my mind. This black denim dress just came in from Abercrombie, and of course I went to link it and it's sold out in the black. But they still have it in 2 different colors of denim. And I'm gonna wear that. John and I are gonna go out to dinner one night, so I'll probably wear that, my tights, and my, wait. No, I gotta wear my sorrels with those. Three pairs of ski socks. I just ordered this pack from Amazon, and then I have 1 pair in there. I also have another mid-layer. This one is probably a little bit warmer. My sister gave me this one for Christmas. Gotta have this. I have the Steamboat one in there, but this one is definitely gonna be for colder days. Sound machine, duh. I haven't opened this yet. I'm a little bit nervous to see if it fits or not, but it's a Kenny Flowers one piece for the hot tub. Cannot wait. I haven't even opened. These are the Lake Valentine's pajamas, and we'll be taking pictures of me and Olive in those when I get there. I haven't had time to do it, so that I am packing that for the photos, and then I also have 2 other pairs of pajamas, one Lake obviously, and this somersault pair is like a little bit thicker, almost flannel-y type for the cold. I also have a couple t-shirts to wear under stuff, and ooh, this is, I got from ASOS before the last trip, and it's like a 1-piece thing. The only thing is, if you have to pee when you're on the mountain, it's not ideal, since you'll have all your gear on. So this is probably for like going out at night or going out to play during the day with Olive kind of situation. And then I have another pair of Smart Wool Long Johns. So I have 2 pairs of Long Johns, one this, 2 mid-layers, bibs, ski coat. And then I'm also bringing the brown boots. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen this sorrel boot situation. These are epic, and these are gonna definitely hold up better in the snow, I think, than the other white ones that I chose. I'll just show you on here since if you don't follow me on Instagram. I also ordered this white pair because I forgot I had ordered the brown pair. I think that the white pair, after all, like for wearing them in Colorado in the snow or like on the dusty, dirty roads, I think these just, Daisy, I think these are not the thing for that. These are more like a fashion winter boot if you're gonna wear them around. So I'm trying to decide, I'll decide by the end of the week if I'm gonna keep both pairs. But for practicality's sake, I'm bringing these. And then also, I showed you earlier my AS 98 boots that my mom got me for Christmas. They're great. They have like good tread for slipping on snow and ice. And then I was trying to decide if I was gonna bring my moon boots or these other boots, and the moon boots just take up so much space, and I feel like traveling with a toddler in the airport is just not practical for me to wear the moon boots in the airport, like I did the first time. So instead, I'm gonna wear these Louis Vuitton rain boots that were one of my favorite secondhand finds. I found these for like an absolute steal. They're kind of heavy, so I don't really wear them often, but I think they'll be perfect for this trip. So I think I'm gonna pack those. We also pack a ski bag with our skis. So I think I'll sneak those in the ski bag. What else? Is that it? This doesn't quite fill up these 2. I mean, I obviously have like underwear and stuff, but I haven't filled up the 2 sides, which is great news. That way I'll have some room for some of Olive's stuff. So I'll be doing Olive's stuff in a separate thing. And I guess I should have said at the beginning of the video that we're going to Steamboat. We always go to Steamboat. So if you're new here to this page and this video brought you here, we are going to Steamboat for 5 days. All right, well, cheers. Thanks for hanging out with me.